Hi, in this video we are going to solve practice question for polygon. So look at number 1. For each of the following, find first the sum of interior angles. We need to know, we got the formula for this. Sum of interior angle equal to n minus 2, and that means side, how many sides are there, and multiply it with 180 degree. There it is. And then if you would like to find the size of one interior, you just write the sum of interior angle. You will divide it by how many angles are there. So let's find it out for regular octagon. So we need to know octagon, how many sides are there? Octagon, there are 8 sides. So let's find for a octagon the first. So this is n is 8 side minus by 2 times 180. So this is 6 times 180. So this is 6 times 180 equal to 1080. Okay, this is the sum of interior angle. How about the size of one interior angle? So the total, the sum is 1080 degree. We divide by how many sides are there is 8. So one interior angle is equal to 135 degree. Okay, go on. A regular decagon. Decagon is 10 sides. So this is B. So the first 10 minus by 2 and multiplied by 180 degree. So this is 8 times 180 degree. So this is equal to 1444 degree. While the one interior, so we can write it 1440 degree divided by 10, which will give us the answer of 144 degree for ones. Okay, for C, they provided us 15 side. So we can write it here, C. For the sum of interior, 15 minus by 2, then we multiply it by 180 degree. So this is 13 times 180 degree. So it will give us the answer of 2340 degree. For the one side of interior, we just make it the sum, 234 degree. We divide by how many sides are there, which is 15. Because they are regular, all of sides are equal. So this will give us the answer of 156 degree. There it is. Next, a coin made of the shape of a regular heptagon. What is heptagon? Is 7 sides. 7 sides. Okay, calculate the size of each interior. To find it out, for the each interior, here, this is number 2, we need to find the sum of interior. So it's gonna be n is 7 minus 2, and then we multiply by 180 degree. So this is 5 times 180 degree, which will give us the answer of 900 degree. So for each is 900, we divide by how many sides are there is 7. So it will give us the answer of 128.57 degree. Let's continue for number 3. The interior angle of regular polygon is 160. How many sides are there? Okay, so we got the regular polygon is 160. So the formula is here. The interior angle is equal to how many sides we minus by 2 and multiplied by 180. Then we divide it by n. How many sides are there? So interior angle is 162 degree, and then this is n minus 2 times 180 degree divided by n. So let's multiplication is gonna be 162 degree equal to n 180 and then minus by 360 degree. So let's continue. This is gonna be 360 degree. So 180 and minus by 162 n is gonna be 8. 7 is gonna be 1 n. So what is n? Equal to 20. So there are 20 sides. So next, number 4. One exterior angles of a regular polygon is 14.4. So if the exterior, so for number 4, A, exterior plus interior equal to 180 degree. If exterior equal to 14.4 degree plus interior equal to 180 degree, so interior equal to 180 degree minus by 14.4, so which will give us the answer of 165.6 degree. Now B, how many sides does the polygon have? Okay, this is general rules for the sum of exterior. So you don't have to remember the proof, but the exterior, any convex polygon exterior equal to 360 degree. So if one exterior angle equal to 14.4, so we just 360 we divide by 14.4, which will give us the answer of 25 sides. Okay, there it is. Okay, calculate the value of the angles marked with letter of each. So to find it out, we need to find the total angle, interior angle, the sum of interior. So how many sides are there? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 minus by 2, and we multiplied by 180. So this is 5 times 180. So total of the interior angle equal to 900 degree. So the sum is 900 degree. So this is, we make it from 120 degree plus 125 degree plus 161 degree plus x plus 98 degree plus 130 degree plus 110 degree. So let us addition. So first 120, we addition by 125 plus 161 plus 98 and then plus 130 plus 110. So this will, which will give us an answer of 744 degree plus x equal to 900 degree. So x equal to 900, we minus by 744, which will give us the answer of 156. Okay, there you go. Okay. Next, we got here, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5. So let's find it. The sum of interior is 5. So 5 minus by 2 times 180 degree. So this is 3 times 180 degree, which will give us the answer of 360. Okay, 540 degree. Okay, there you go. Remember, this is one line angle. So the interior is gonna be 180 minus by x. Here, 180 minus x. This angle is gonna be not 180 anymore. It's gonna be 180 plus by 50. 180 plus by 50 is gonna be 230 minus x. And for this angle, it's gonna be 180 minus x plus 10 is gonna be 190 minus x. Okay, we got it. So let's check it. So the sum is 540 degree. So let's find it the each. So this is 180 degree minus x plus by 180 minus x, and then 190 degree plus, not plus x, minus x plus by 100 degree, and the last plus by 230 degree minus x. So for x minus x, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's gonna be minus 4x. Okay, so let's count for the degree. We got 180 plus 180 again, plus 190 plus 100, and the last plus by 230, which will give us the answer of 880 degree. So it's gonna be 4x equal to 880 degree minus by 540 degree. So 4x equal to 340 degree. Okay, we got it. So 340 degree divided by 4. So x equal to 85 degree. Okay, we got it. 8 equal to 85 degree. So if we got here x minus 10 degree is gonna be 75 degree, and then if the question x minus 50 degree equal to 35 degree. Okay, let's continue for C. Look at the C. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrilateral. So the total of angle, interior angle is 360. So see, this is 84 degree plus this, we make it together, 56 degree plus 17 degree plus x plus right angle 90 degree. So let us addition this value. So 84 we plus by 56 plus 17 and then plus by 90. This will give us the answer of 247 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. So the x equal to 113 degree. Because 360 minus by 247 equal to 113 degree. So let's find it for the y. Where is y? Okay. This is the y. Okay, to find y, what can we do? Okay, let's use B, H, G, F, E. So let's find it this angle. This is a triangle. So total triangle of 180 degree. So 17 degree plus 113 degree equal to, this is, let's make it, this is Z plus Z equal to 180 degree. So it's gonna be 113 plus by 17 is gonna be 130 degree. Plus z equal to 180 degree, so z equal to 50 degree. So this is 50 degree. Okay, we got it. So how many, what is the sum of this interangle? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 angles. Okay, it's equal to, we remember the sum of 5 angle we did before. Sum of interior angle of 5 side is gonna be 5 minus 2 times 180 degree. So 3 times 180 degree, which will give us the answer of 540 degree. So let's find it the y. So started from here. So we got 100 plus 17 degree plus 50 degree plus 44 degree plus 100 again plus 125 degree plus y. This is equal to 540 degree. First, let us addition. So we got 100 plus by 17 plus by 50 plus by 44, 100, and the last 125. This will give us the answer of 436 degree plus y equal to 540 degree. So y is 540 degree. We minus by 436 is 104 degree. Okay, next, this is last page. Number 6. How can you use the sum of exterior angle to find the size of one exterior angle of a regular polygon if you cannot remember the formula? So if you cannot remember the formula, first, let me write the answer here. We divided 360 by, okay, this number 6, by the number of angles to find the size of one exterior angles. Okay, because remember, you don't have to remember the proof, but you must remember that the sum of exterior angles of any convex polygon is 360 degree. Then after this, then use the fact that the exterior, okay, I think I should rewrite it properly. Write the fact that the exterior and the interior angle is from a straight line, which is equal to 180 degree. So exterior plus interior is gonna be 180 degree because this is come from a straight line. Okay, now is number 7. Is it possible for a regular polygon to have an interior angle of 170? The answer is yes. If internal angle is 170 degree, then the external angle is, look at it, exterior plus interior is gonna be 180. So if the internal is 170, so external equal to 10 degree. And also remember the sum of external equal to 360 degree. We can divide it by 10 because the exterior is 10. So gonna be 36 side. So if the one interior angle is 170, so this is 36 side with the exterior angle equal to 10. There it is. Thank you.